What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I got a special one for you guys today. You guys are gonna love this video. So we took it a few days ago. I'm doing this intro after the fact. We went back to Bando City and I had my Nosgo 5 running on 4S, and I had several batteries with me and some brand new packs, and I put my GoPro 7, my brand new GoPro Hero 7 on the drone. So I got some epic content. You guys are gonna love it. Stick around to the end, it's gonna be great. I got lots of projects going on. I got a lot of stuff done yesterday. I got like 6 drones fixed, and I'm getting started now. I got the bearings and the parts to build this axial Yeti, turn it into an FPV truck. So I'm gonna restore it, the bearings, get all the diffs in good shape, get everything checked out, get it ready to go, and fill the diffs up with fluid and all that. And then I'm gonna put an air unit in it and turn it into a FPV RC truck. So it's fast. It can crawl or it can go fast. It's just a good all-around truck for an FPV setup. So that's my plan to do with that. Got my rip squeak going with some brand new props on it. I'm getting ready to go out and fly it here in a minute. I also got my Copus Mini going again. This, I think, if you guys remember, this was the first drone, one of the first drones I bought. So yeah, I got it going again. It's all fixed and ready to go. Gonna put my Insta on it and go out and fly it here in a little while. But that's not what's in this video. We went back to Bando City, and Tommy come over there and met me, and I was flying around, ripping some packs, ripped 2 or 3 good packs there at that place. Had a blast. It was a blast. We was flying all over the place, didn't break nothing, didn't crash, so it was a good day. And yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready and keep getting this stuff fixed. And over there I got some more projects going on, my Stark and my Moon Goat. The Moon Goat's all done. I just got to remap the motors now again because I changed it to a Cadex Vista. So got to remap the motors and then bind it up to the goggles and the radio, and I think that one will be ready to go. The Stark's got a brand new stack in it. I just got to figure out why the Crossfire is giving me trouble and not wanting to bind up. I think I'm going to have to hook it up to the computer again and double check it. If not, I might have a bad Crossfire. I might just have to replace it. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick update. Here we go. Let's roll this footage. Check this out. We was back at Bando City, hanging out with Tommy, ripping some packs. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments about the video. Should be way better quality since I used my 7. So let me know what you guys think. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Later, fam. Love you guys. See you on the next video.
At a time confirmed.
Here we go. Check it out, guys. I'm out here flying with Tommy. He's got this tiny drone that runs on 3S. I think it's one I gave him. And he's rebuilt it, made it better. Oh, yeah, he just used the frame off the stuff I gave him. He made it better, put better parts on it. Super tiny, super fragile, but it's fast as heck. Super fast. He's ripping it, check him out. It's pretty dope, I like it. Can never crash it, or it's over. Ooh. That was a landing, but it was a little bit of a rough landing. Oh, don't fry it. Here, oh, you got it. You gonna bring it back over there? How much battery you got left? Not much. There it is, guys. That's the thing he was flying. It runs on 3S.
I call it the tiny monster. It's the whoop monster.
The thing is crazy cool. I like it.
Yep. Palm of your hand. Gotta What up, YouTube?
There we go, guys. That's the second battery. Check it out, guys. He's flying. We're still at the Bando City. Ooh, and he's flying a 5-inch line of sight. It don't have a VTX on it. Seems like it flies great. Ready to go.
It's got the tune.
Here we go, guys. Bando City. Final pack.
If you ask you.
That mosquito out of here. You see his mosquito? Ooh, smack the wall. Do a punch up. Do it kind of like a 100-foot punch up. Oh, it's just a lens cover.